Let's dive deep into one of the strangest ideas in modern physics, the mirror universe, where time doesn't move forward like ours, but backward. It all starts with the Big Bang, the beginning of everything. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe burst into existence, expanding from a single, unimaginably dense point. But here's the question that keeps physicists awake at night. If the Big Bang created our universe, could it have created a mirror image of it too? A universe that began on the opposite side of the Big Bang, where time flows in reverse. Think of it like this: imagine blowing up a balloon. As it inflates, everything on its surface moves outward. That's our universe expanding forward in time. But what if, on the other side of that balloon, there's another universe, deflating instead of inflating? Its time runs backward, but from its own perspective, everything feels perfectly normal. To the beings living there, if any exist, we would be the ones moving backward. Mind-bending, right? This idea comes from something known as CPT symmetry, a deep law of physics that says the universe should remain balanced if you flip three things: charge, parity, and time. In simple terms, if you take our universe, flip every particle's charge, mirror its shape, and reverse time, it should still make sense. So, if this law truly holds, there must exist another cosmos, a CPT mirror universe, that balances ours perfectly. That mirror universe would have opposite charges, opposite spins, and reverse time. Now, this isn't just theory anymore. In 2020, scientists working in Antarctica made a shocking discovery. They detected strange particles, neutrinos, apparently coming up through the Earth instead of down from space. That shouldn't happen. Nothing known in physics allows it. But one possible explanation: those particles might be crossing over from a parallel universe, a mirror world where time runs in reverse. If that's true, these ghostly particles could be evidence that another universe exists, beside ours. And it's moving backward through time as we move forward. Let's imagine what that would look like. In the mirror universe, stars wouldn't explode, they'd unexplode. Planets wouldn't form, they'd disassemble. You wouldn't age, you'd grow younger. And eventually, you return to being a child, then an infant, and then disappear into nothing. But here's the twist: for someone living in that universe, everything would seem completely normal. Their forward is our backward. For them, we're the ones aging in reverse. Time is relative, it depends on which side you're standing on. Now think about this: if the Big Bang created both universes, ours moving forward and the mirror one moving backward, then maybe time isn't a one-way street after all. Maybe it's a leap. Maybe when our universe reaches its end, the big rip, or the heat-death time flips again, and we become the beginning of the mirror world. What if the end of time here is the start of time there? It's a wild thought, but it could solve one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. Why did time start moving forward in the first place? Physicists call it the arrow of time, the reason why we remember the past but not the future. In a mirror universe, that arrow points the other way. Together, both universes keep the total symmetry of existence perfectly balanced by two reflections holding each other in place across eternity. So maybe the universe isn't alone after all. Maybe it's always had a twin, invisible, reversed, and moving toward us through time. And one day, far beyond imagination, those two universes could meet again back where it began, at the moment of creation itself. Our beginning might be their end, and their beginning might be ours. In the grand cycle of time, everything balances. Forward, backward, it's all part of the same infinite story. If this blew your mind, or made you question what time really means, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you visit the mirror universe if you could? Because together, we'll keep exploring every strange and beautiful mystery our universe hides.